Shop Wednesday. I hope you're having a good day. I am getting rolling at the engraving bench. I'm finishing up the second set of buffalo skull spurs, and man, what a fun time that's been. As I said over the last couple posts, scares the water out of me when I get to sculpting, but biggest fears come biggest rewards, and when it all comes together. And yeah, there's another day and a day to make it better, but it was exciting, learned a lot, and we'll keep going. Working on TCAA 2022 show. Got a big Santa Barbara going. Working on relieving all of that material out. Y'all can see here, the design is cut in. Can y'all tell that's going to be a road runner? Another road runner in right there in the middle of all those scrolls. But yeah, working on getting all the background cut out, and then I go to texturing and matting and making it all look good. Another hidden road runner in there. But yeah, that's going to be fun. We'll see. More sculpting, kind of getting into it. Not going to do it a ton, but certain projects, that's fun. Here's a buffalo skull. That's cool. That's just way fun for me to do. Love the buffalo skull. And then engraving this all up. So got to finish engraving that next this morning, and then engrave that guy, engrave the button, then got the brand on the opposite, do a little doctoring too. That's the bench. That's what we're going. Got a new tool this morning. Me and old Ladden Ledbetter. Don't know if y'all know Ladden, but man, he's a character. Was a bull riding son of a gun and is quite handy at the silversmithing bench. But anyhow, Ladden's been roaming around the shop. I got a little 2-inch vise that I've showed y'all that had a little Junior Wilton power arm on it, Wilton Junior power arm, and I did all kinds of spinning, and it was really cool positioning, but it's just a little light for my hammers in the bit and spur world. Ladden said, trade you. We did a little trade. Look here, so now I got a big hydraulic. It's still a power arm. This little thing right here does the tensioning, but I mount my vise to the top of this. Where'd my vise go? Oh, he stole it. I knew he'd take it. Oh, there it is. So this is a little bit bigger. It's 2.5 inches. I've had it for a while, but it was mounted right here on this guy. So now what we'll do is machine this out a little thing that'll fit here. This all gonna be pretty, man, you can't tell, it's gonna be pretty tall. So I'm gonna have to cut this little guy down and make it a good height and for me, and then we'll go from there. And of course it'll raise up, but anyhow, that's fine. I don't know which I'm gonna cut off, that end or that end. We'll figure it all out. This is a cool deal though. When I get these vices on there and it'll all spin and go all these different directions. What a cool thing. And this is one of their 303, power arm 303 Wilton makes. And you just tighten that dude down and then that's solid. So it's stronger than the other one I had, and make it to where I can hammer away and keep things in a certain position. It should be easy and fast. But anyhow, that's exciting. Engraving workshop next week. Still got lots of room. Anybody who wants to come. Speak now, forever hold your peace, they say. I'm going to have another one. We're actually going to be involved in 2 more. TCA is going to have one at our fall workshop in October. Me and Ernie will be teaching it. And we'll do some inlay and all kinds of cool stuff, probably, because that's part of engraving. We'll do a lot of design work, drawing scrolls. That's what I'm going to do next week. Teach you how to, we're going to talk about the rules of scrolls and how to create and how to get loose with our drawing and you know, get stuff down on paper. And we'll talk tool geometry and the mechanics of engraving for half a day and drawing half a day. So it will be fun, will be exciting. As long as you get here by 8 o'clock Wednesday morning, there is no such thing as too late to sign up unless we fill the darn thing up between now and then. But as of the pattern goes now, you no danger of that. So anyhow, Patreon's rocking and rolling. I think people are really starting to see the value of it. I got guys signing up, got an older generation signing up. How the heck do we get on Patreon? I'll send you a link, and away we go. Another thing, speaking of links and websites, look here, cute little box of hinge jigs. So here's my little hinge jig. Look here, we got the logo on it this time. Tyler Porter did that for me. Jim Porter and Tyler made these and put the logo on there. It's really cool. No longer have to call me. Go to the website, Tools of the Trade. It's all on there. It says things for sale and Tools of the Trade. It's on my website. You can buy it there. You got to give me your address and all that cool stuff, and then I'll print out a shipping label and get it to you. So it makes it easy peasy for everybody. You don't have to worry about me calling you back and getting the information on payment and all that nonsense. It's all there, does it for you one-stop shopping, just like Amazon. So anyhow, all's good. Lots of exciting things. Cheese. Crickets. Cricket chasing you. All right, Cheese? Yep, crickets. Anyhow, it's hot. Gonna be hot this week in Texas. I hope y'all have a good week. Stay cool if you're in the south. Stay warm if you're in the north. Or enjoy the warmth. How's that? Probably enjoy the warmth by now. Anyhow, hope all's well. We'll see y'all next week. Adios.